Hi everyone, today I will show you how to activate your personal hotspot on your iPhone. For that, you must go to settings. Here you can see the personal hotspot is inactive. To activate your personal hotspot, you should go to cellular data and you should turn on your internet data, and after that you can see that the personal hotspot is active, and you can go to personal hotspot page and tap to allow others to join, and after that your personal hotspot is already active. And here also you can change the Wi-Fi password. Here you can delete and write a new password and click done. I hope this information was useful for you, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the video.